Oh.
Who's your number one favorite?
Dior.
Myself.
Who's your number two favorite?
Dior.
Who's your number three favorite?
Why she become so sad when she say
Why are you sad?
No. I'm just sleeping. I still haven't slept enough yet.
because I saw you.
Kasi sabi ko, you wake me up when
You go. Ha? Wait.
Tito is here na para mag-eat tayo, di ba? You never wake me up.
Why you were gonna be energized?
No, I want to eat, di ba? Look mo muna, same ba ng color yan? Is that the colors for unicorn? Hindi yung i-open mo lahat, hindi naman yan ang color ni unicorn.
Lahat yan kailangan buksan para yan.
Ito pa oh, yung give it to me oh. Tapon
Can
properly.
I see ano unicorn?
Oh, sige, see mo muna.
I don't see what we
Pwede
need.
ba ako dumaan sa amin?
Tapos,
Nabuksan
Tuwing
na
ko may
lahat?
laptop o gawa na yan.
Nabuksan na lahat?
Try mo, dati na open yan, di ba? Diyan ka nanood dati, di ba?
hindi ah.
Yan ang ginamit mo dati na nanood ko eh.
No.
Laptop tapos TV, naka-HDMI. Yan ang ginamit mo yun. Yeah.
Open na lahat?
It's okay. Open mo, para mga na.
Eh, kapag natapon.
Eh, syempre, don't open nga eh. Careful ka oh. Is it ano ba? Tight?
Ano? No.
Tight naman, di ba?
Ano yan?
When you open I give you ano technique. Ganito oh. You hold this ha. Takip. Oh. Do you see? Oh. Hold the takip ha. Para hindi tatalsik ha. Oy. Do you see? Ayan oh. Hold mo to oh. Para hindi when you suddenly open ako, everything.
Will be mixed.
Oh, no. Everything will come out.
Yung color palette, lagay mo dun sa bag. This one, this is the color palette.
Ilalagay yata dito yan eh.
Oh, I think so nga, ganun.
Tingnan nga, let me see. Is it a sticker?
Sticker ba?
No.
Sticker. A big sticker. Hindi.
Can I gunting and then tape it?
Lagay mo muna dun sa wash bag. Okay na yan.
Saan na? Na-mix na. How many ba yan?
Where's the other one? Saan?
Hala. Paano yan? Na-mix mo na. Nasa box ba to kasama?
Kanina sa plastic, pero wala sa loob ng box.
Ganyan, ganyan.
Ganyan.
I think you need to put inside. Ito, tinan mo, sige. Put inside.
Saan inside? Wait lang. Anak ko. Paano ba to? What? When you open o hold mo rin ito, hold this ha. Yan ang like that ha. See? Ganun eh. Na-mix na. Saan yung tweezer?
Why so small?
Oo nga. I think you need to buy yung ganung bottle. Baka meron sa ano nga ba yun?
Anong bottle?
SSC transparent bottle.
Para?
Doon mo na lang, katulad dun sa may separate siyang bottle. Ayun, nag-mix eh. Magkakatabi kasi, nag-mix. Yung parang medicine siguro. Oh, you cannot use this one anymore. Very small. You have another special tools for this.
Here.
Ito ata oh. Ito oh.
Yeah.
Hindi yan cannot close, I tell you. Look meron yan gap in between The
Hindi
wall
na,
here,
sige na, ilagay mo na lang yung Hindi, tanggalin mo na to. Tanggalin mo na. Tanggalin mo na nga. Sabi ko ilagay lang doon sa wash bag yung mismong... Yan, ka na. Hindi ka na lilisen eh.
Oh, nag-ano?
Akin na, akin na.
Kailangan niya ng separate na. Kasi pagka binubuksan mo,
This one, sa bag mo na.
tinan mo, pag binuksan, nag-vibrate eh. Ano ba yan? Na-mix-mix na.
Okay lang yan.
I think you need yung container. Like the one in the North Point, no? Yung medicine bottle. Maliliit.
Yeah, and then put in a shelf.
No need to put in the shelf. That's inside the bag. Oh. Katulad yung container ng sand. Di ba? Meron kang container ng sand. Ha?
Doon sa Junction 9, meron container ng pan.
No, nag-experiment tayo ng sorting. Sorting algorithm. Di ba?
Ayun. 2 layers? 3 layers? Oh my God. This looks beautiful.
Ang hirap naman natin.
Ayaw ko magpalinis.
A special kiss from a daughter. Can you hold it? Talaba.
Kiss me.
I'm not your daughter.
I gave my sperm cell to Mama.
So, Papa Eugene is my father.
I told you to hold the...
Naku, baka
on the
magkano,
flat
tinan mo,
side.
hindi flat, oh.
Hindi flat
Ino-open mo, hindi flat. May
Flat, ito ang flat. Not, tanggalin mo.
Hindi mo kasi
Oh,
tanggalin
ayan,
yung scissor eh. Tsaka kung ano
oh.
mga ano dyan eh.
It's not flat.
It's dangerous eh. It's very dangerous to ano eh. It will gonna spread
Spill.
all over eh. Spill pa.
Bili ka lang ng container. Baka meron dyan sa Daiso.
Escaping. Doon pa sa kandela yung may escaping.
Meron sticky dyan sa Railway.
Can I do now?
Bala ko.
Sticky.
Yung the rest pakilagay sa bag, yung hindi mo kailangan. I'm telling you. Ito,
Black
kailangan
beads
mo
ba
ba to? Yung kailangan mo ba? Oh.
Pimple ba ito? Sakit ang ganyan.
Wait, I'm looking it.
Oo, mas mo katulad sa akin.
Ha?
Hindi, ano, yung pores ng buhok. Pores ng buhok.
Ano mo?
Alam mo tatanggalin eh. Paano mo tatanggalin eh?
Sabat mo ka umbok.
Pores na eh.
This one I need.
Ano? Eh, hindi maano eh. Kapag kakashi, minsan. Wala eh.
Ano tanggal mo na ito?
Sakit na.
Pagka
What do you need ba sa unicorn?
What do
Oh,
you...
ay ito oh. Ito kasi mga ano to, oh, yung design to oh.
Hi, Mama. What do you want?
Ilagay mo dyan, ayun pa. You know.
What's this for? I don't have black. I need this. Also this one.
Mm.
I'm not even worrying about them.
Sagutan mo daw tong algorithm eh. Mag-sleep ako eh. Oh, you have activity na ha.
Or maybe a prefer this one. I prefer this one. It has white.
What is this, oh? I think it should be red.
I also need this for the white, of course. That's all I need.
Hindi
If I-
dito yun, oh.
If there's a big competition, I would bring this to school.
That one is for what?
We already have a container!
Ah.
Bro. Ay, mom. What is this for?
Pang ganun kasi.
Para ano ng ATM.
Yung ibabalik mo doon. Diba?
Dito or there. I bet I don't need this.
You need that pa.
Why?
You will gonna put here lang, for example, what you need muna. After you finish that, the rest of the color, you'll put back there. And then get another color. Ganun.
Ah.
The same with this.
I put from here.
It's put from there. So, tinan mo, yan pala yun. Ano eh.
Oh god.
This one is a smaller one because this one for medium one. Diba?
Hello, I don't think
And this
this
one is what?
That's for clothes. If you need many, like here, many white.
You can use din na muna. Panglagyan mo na ng ibang.
This is what we need. It's not like the medium one. We need this, not that. Kapag ganon,
No,
mawawar.
this one is the baking paper lang. Oh.
Okay.
It's extra baking paper lang. Oh, oh. You don't need that muna. Hindi mo mapap. You don't need to iron sa ano. Just
Ma'am?
take out the pattern.
Help me take.
4 lang yata yan. Extra lang. You just take out the pattern. Oh, it's a lot. It's many patterns.
Ma. I think meron pala si Rainbow Dash eh.
For baking paper ito. Sino si Rainbow Dash?
Rainbow Dash sa My Little Pony at kasi si Pinkie Pie. Ma.
Oh, this
Ma.
one you put inside the bag mo. Pag
Can
mo
you-
kasi
can-
i-close.
If I had a big competition, I would bring this. Just for Pepem! Alam mo anong unicorn is this from My Little Pony?
Oh, this
Celestia.
one is pang scoop, okay? Oh, you need the pang scoop, then you put here muna.
Mami, look ko si Rainbow
Are you going
Dash.
to use this ba?
Yeah. Ma, mama,
O, dito mo ilagay.
mama. Ah. Ma, Rain. Bakit? Bakit? Di ka nakinis? Sabi yung dramatic. Ma, look ko,
Sino yan?
Rainbow Dash.
Oh. Ito, sino? And this
Celeste.
one.
Fluttershy.
And this one.
Pinkie Pie.
Oh, sino gusto mo gagawin?
Celestia.
Sige, yan. Oh, marami ko sa design. I think, ganito.
I think. Sure. I think I need it for the green and blue.
You open na yun.
Ayan. Oh.
Careful yung opening mo.
I make sure it's on the flat
Oh,
surface.
ganyan na. I-keep it open
It,
lang. Then
it,
yung...
it went smooth.
Oh.
Can you, oh,
Hindi na kailangan i-open yun.
okay.
Oh, this one. You need this one ba? Oh.
This is clear white. This is definitely not clear white.
Baka maisama mo ito pang close na dito. So, sige,
Itukat na lang mo ilagay. He'll protect it. In front of him. Under his butt. What shall I think I need black.
black
Black
muna.
first.
Ayan ang black, oh.
Okay. Thank you. Don't know how to use this.
No, I think the extra black na kanina, the one in the pouch, is extra. Ito, oh, you have black here, you have white here, oh. Diba? May nilabas ka ba kanina? Diba? Oh.
Because this is little.
Kaya nga, extra.
And I need a lot of black in these patterns.
That's why they gave you extra black.
Yeah,
and extra white.
two pouch.
2 pouch of black and 2 pouch of white. Kasi more white eh. Oh, dito mo lagay.
Like this robotic.
Oh, yan.
Then I need more.
No, you finish muna this one.
Okay,
Then you put more.
okay.
Then the
Jeez.
rest, if you finish already the pattern, the
This-
extra
this one or
rest,
this
you're
one?
gonna put back.
This one.
I think
This
this
one.
one. This one, you don't know how to use it. I think you need to put inside, diba? Here, oh. You don't know how to use it. Dapat you watch YouTube muna. Ito na lang muna gamitin mo. You watch YouTube muna. Baka masira ka.
Yeah.
Put it there in the bag.
I'm a noob. I'm a noob. I'm a pro there. I'm a noob here.
You don't know how to use it.
And this one. Look at that. They will think in a big competition this is just for curing, but no. This is so small.
You want me to open the light?
I'm sure.
I open the light kasi it's going to ring eh.
How do I?
You found out. Then lagay mo muna sa rep ng ulam ni Nico na
My God. Ma, help me. I don't know. Huh? I can't count. Can you count? It's so small.
Wala mo naman ako. Ito ka mag-umpisa sa oven.
May tiyasin lang kasi na lang dito.
This one is big, this one is small. So wherever is okay.
Okay, okay. This is the size. Let's measure this size. Definitely. So I'm gonna put that tail right here. That scared me. Can you get a tutorial for this one?
It's the same as yung ginagawa ko na. I think so one by one. But you can still try this one if you can still use. But there's a lot of acid glue.
Tutorial. I think we need to put a lot muna. What do you think?
Hindi nga. Oh, ito baka, this one, oh. Slow use this one. Hmm? Hmm.
No, ako na.
Ikaw na nga, oh. You can still use it. I'm just telling you, you can still use this.
That's hard.
This one, di ganyan kasi. Ito, hawak ko. Hmm.
I said no. I'm doing it on my own.
I'm gonna sit na.
Ah!
I'm gonna sit na. Okay?
You get the tutorial.
What tutorial?
Yeah.
iPad mo?
Mm.
Di iPad daw nga. Naka-charge ba?
How to flip this?
Ha? Flip mo lang ganyan.
Lalo na hindi na flip.
Ay pa. Ito na. Ito yung succeed.
Doon na lang.
Saan doon?
Okay. So here, much better.
Okay. Hindi ako nakasing.
Dito?
Tutorials. Now this for beginners. Oh.
Ito, diyon mo. May spoon. Spoon. Ano pa ba?
Huwag na. Dito kasi ilalagay.
I'm just trying lang. Ano, ganyan?
Wag, Mama! I can do it! Ano?
Small perler beads. Perler bead kit tutorial.
Today I'm going to show you how to make this needed product. This tutorial is perfect for beginners.
O, pause mo muna natin.